Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I actually wanted to come on here really quick because the news of Otherside was actually released. I actually thought that there might have been a release today, but today was just the announcement of when Otherside, or at least more news of the Otherside was going to be released, and it's going to be April 30th. So I do think as of right now, I'm not going to be taking any positions out of Ape unless today it ends up running to something crazy like maybe $30. I'll probably take out half, probably put it into something else. But that's unless today, unless sometime this week it does something crazy and it goes to, like I said, $30. I will be taking out at least some profit and putting it into something else. But as of right now, I am bullish up until April 30th. I want to see what TA is like, but I do think it's going to be, I don't think it's going to be even a buy the rumor, sell the news, unless the news is like complete garbage. But I do think I am pretty bullish on Ape, especially right now because it is diverging from Bitcoin price. Even though Bitcoin is going up a little bit, I do think Apecoin right now is essentially Doggy 3.0, right? You guys already know how much I made with Doggy. You guys already know how much I made with Shiba Inu. I do think that Ape is basically going to be Doggy 3.0, and it's going to be my third choice for basically my fool's insurance. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye bye.